Hey guys, it's Jacco from Bushwakka. I'm just going to show you how to close the 3.8 meg. It's the same as the 4.2 meg, just a little bit different, slightly. You start at the back as with the 4.2 meg because of the smaller hinge. Remember not to undo the front section due to wind. If there's wind, you can edit that bit out. So this is an important section. You take this
Like once you gather your rear arm, like that.
This is an important section. You take the canvas and you throw it up in the air and you push all these arms underneath. Now you'll notice on this one, this is where it's a little bit different. The 4.2 has got a spreader beam arm in the middle where the 3.8 doesn't. So this one can actually close in all the way. You go to the other side. Undo that one. And you push it in all the way. Now you'll see this is the different section here. It's got the big fold there. So what I personally do is I take it here and I pull it up. So it's one piece now there again, and then you just roll it up like the Meg, the 4.2 Meg. Again, once you get to about there, you take the old canvas and you lift it up like that. And then you strap it. Like so. And then this one, you just go the other way direction that way. Now there is a little bit of a gap there, so what I do is I tuck this inside of that gap like that. Where's the one? And then you just take this little bit there and push it up a little bit, and then you strap it again. And now it should be easy enough for you to actually close the bag. The bag is a little bit bigger for you to be able to close it easy. And that's it. That's how you pack up the 3.8 meter Meg. Thanks for watching, guys.